Hello everyone and welcome to Mon-ara. So today we are making a summer soothing aloe and chamomile cream. Let's get started. Here is a couple of our key ingredients. We have mango butter, dried chamomile flowers. I also have aloe vera oil extract, which is oil soluble, and aloe vera gel, which is fresh aloe vera juiced and stored by me. I'm also going to be using sweet almond oil, which is one of my favorite oils. So you want to go ahead and put some dried chamomile flowers in a tea bag. That's going to be our first step. Put your tea bag in a heat-proof jar. Add your distilled water, and let's call this our phase A, also known as our liquid phase. To your water, add your glycerin. Glycerin serves as a humectant. Go ahead and heat up your phase A. In another heat-proof container, let's combine our mango butter, sweet almond oil, and emulsifiers. Go ahead and melt these as well. Once your oils have melted, remove the chamomile tea bag from your water. Now add your aloe vera gel into your liquid phase, which is your water phase, and mix. At this point, I am adding my phase B into my phase A. You want to go ahead and mix that with a whisk or a stick blender. If you want your cream to cool down faster, you can also put it in a cool bath. See, our cream is starting to get thick. At this point, it's time for our phase C, also known as our cool down phase. I am adding my oil soluble aloe vera extract, some vitamin E, natural vitamin E, and some fragrance. I am using an essential oil blend for this cream. You can use whatever scent or fragrance you have on hand. To go ahead and customize my scent, I am adding a few drops of jasmine essential oil. Go ahead and blend that all together thoroughly. Our cream is ready to be packaged. Sanitize your jar by cleaning with isopropyl alcohol. Now scoop your cream into your clean jar, but do not put the lid on yet. You want your cream to completely cool down before you do so. So our cream is all set, and let's see how it performs. This is a light textured cream, perfect for the summer season ahead of us. All you need to do is use a small amount and massage into your skin. Perfect to use for your face as well and your body. I hope you loved this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I will add a link to where I purchased some of my ingredients if you do want to purchase as well. And I hope you really love this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. And yes, don't forget to follow us on our other social media platform on Instagram and Twitter at Mon-ara.